How you doing, guys? Today we have 2018 Chevy Express. The customer have a separate key and a remote which is already broke, and we're gonna create a new keyless remote. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna show that the remote right now does not work, and always start with the original key in the ignition on position, not start, just on position. I'm going to use the KM100 by Autel. I'm going to go to immobilizer, and don't forget to put the dongle, the Bluetooth connection that goes to the OBD, and it's right on the left side over here. By the way, if you like those videos, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see my daily videos. So in the menu, I'm making sure right now that it's connected, and I'm going to go to Chevrolet. And I'm going to go to automatic selection and attempt to read the VIN number. Because the ignition is on position, it's going to read the VIN and it's going to give me all the car information. Instead of us going to manual selection and choosing year, make and model, that does it automatically. Please make sure that all the information is correct and hit yes. Then it's gonna parse the VIN number and it's gonna go to the menu. Don't go to remote relearn, because this is an onboard procedure. Some of the vehicles you can do it by yourself without a machine if you have it in the dashboard menu. But in this car we don't have it, so we're gonna go to control unit, remote system, remote learning, and it tells me to turn the ignition on. The ignition is already on, so we're gonna hit OK. It's going to tell me that all of the remotes will be erased and will have to be reprogrammed. I hit yes, and now we need to press on the lock and unlock button together until we hear this beep. That means that it's programmed. We'll have to wait the 60 seconds. The remote is already programmed, but in order to close the programming mode, I'm going to wait. Remote works just fine. We're just gonna wait for the programming to close. Guys, if you like those videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I love to answer each of the questions, and thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.